Hello, this is Miss Janetta. Today I'm going to talk about some left hand technique, finger tapping. Finger tapping is the most used for the students because usually they will collapse their fingers very easy and they're trying to just collapse their wrist and lean it to the neck of the violin to play. And usually they will just hold the hands all together, and when they're trying to play the fingers, it will all go in everywhere and the notes sound so mushy. So I'm going to provide these materials and methods for your students to practice that at home or in lessons or in class. First of all, you will need to have them form the hand shape on the fingerboard with a straight wrist, and then you will have them keep boxes just like this, okay, and have the fingers stand up high enough on top of the strings. And the very important thing is for each finger, they have to practice the independence. So we can do first finger, second finger tap, third finger, and fourth finger. So each finger will go with 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we're tapping the pinky, you could also have the 1, 2, 3 tap with it, or you can just isolate and tap. Make sure that when they're tapping, the fingers are still vertical down on the string, keeping the box. And the most important thing is to have students listen to the tapping sound. Once we're done with 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will go back to 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the finger tapping when we're doing it silently without the bow. Now with the bow, I would put 4 notes in slurs, so the students can keep track on whether they're doing the tapping motions or not. And then it's the same thing going backwards. By using the bow to play, the students can listen to the sound quality as well as the tapping sound of each finger. And I'm just giving an example on A strings, and you could also have students do it on D strings or E strings. Not too much on G strings because it requires a higher elbow on the right hand, and it requires a higher standard of our bow movements. So I would say keeping on D strings and A strings will be the best way to practice the finger tapping. And I've also attached the finger tapping etude here, and then you can find, this is the finger exercise and warm-ups that you could do every day before you get into a solo piece or school music. And here is the piece. the video and practice your finger tapping.